Hello, in this video let us solve this question. We have x power of 3 plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1 is equal to x plus the square root of 6 over x. And here, we to solve for the value of x. So to solve this, solution. Now making use of this identity that if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this equals in brackets a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. And also making use of this identity that if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals in brackets a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So applying this first identity to this and the second identity to the denominator, we then have the equation to then become, so for x power of 3 plus 1, it becomes in bracket x plus 1 into bracket x squared minus x plus 1. Then this is divided by, so for x squared minus 1, following this becomes in bracket x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, and this equals, we have x then plus the square root of 6 over x. So with this, we are then going to move this x over to the left hand side. So this becomes x right here, x plus 1, we cancel this x plus 1. We are then left with x squared minus x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Then we have minus x, and this equals the square root of 6 over x. So we can write this x as over 1. So now the LCM of x minus 1 and 1, the LCM right here is simply x minus 1. So this will divide this, we have 1, and then we have x squared minus x plus 1, then minus x times x minus x squared minus x times minus 1 plus x all over x minus 1 is equal to the square root of 6 over x. So looking at this, minus x will cancel plus x, then minus x squared will cancel plus x squared. We are left with 1. So we then have the equation as 1 over x minus 1 is equal to the square root of 6 over x. Next, we are then going to square the both side of the equation, all raised to power 2. So square will cancel square root. Right here we have 1 squared is equal to 1 over, so x minus 1 all squared is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1, and this equals 6 over x. Next, we are then going to cross multiply. So x will multiply 1 and 6 will multiply this. So doing so, we have that x times 1 is equal to x, and this equals 6x squared minus 12x plus 6. So then move this x over to this side. The equation then becomes 6x squared minus 12x, then minus x, then plus 6, and this equals to 0. So 6x squared minus 13x, then plus 6, and this equals to 0. This equation is factorizable, so it can be written as, we have 6x squared minus 13x can be written as minus 9x minus 4x plus 6 equals 0. Factorize out 3x from this, so 3x into bracket, we are then left with 2x, then minus 3. Factorize out minus 2 from this, minus 2 into bracket 2x, then minus 3, and this is equal to 0. So we have a common factor, which is 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So we pick 1 in bracket 2x minus 3. Then we have 3x and minus 2. So 3x minus 2, and this equals 0. So we can then equate this 2 to 0 so that we have 2x minus 3 equals 0, or we have 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So solving this right here, we have that 2x is equal to plus 3. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 will divide 2. And from here, we then have the value of x, that x is equal to 3 over 2. Next, solving this other one, okay, move minus 2 over to this side. We have 3x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 3, 3 divide 3, x is equal to 2 over 3. So we have the first and the second solution of x. Next, let us verify this solution of x for the given equation. So right here, verify. So to verify this, working with this equation right here, that we have 1 over x minus 1 equals the square root of 6 over x. So writing this down, writing that we have 1 over x minus 1 equals the square root of 6 over x. So when x equals 3 over 2, this becomes 1 over 3 over 2 minus 1 equals the square root of 6 over 3 over 2. And with this, we have 1 over, so 3 over 2 minus 1 is simply, the LCM is 2. Then we have 3 minus 2, and this equals the square root of, so right here we have that this becomes 6 times 2 over 3. And with this, we then have this to become 1 over, so 3 minus 2, 1 over 2. And this equals the square root of 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 over 1 over 2 is simply 2, equals to square root of 4 is 2. And since they equal each other, so this means that the value of x1 that we got as 3 over 2 is the correct solution of x. Next, for x2 as 2 over 3, we put this into this given equation. So x is 2 over 3. Right here, the equation is we have 1 over x minus 1 is equal to the square root of 6 over x. And x2 is equal to 2 over 3. So this becomes 1 over 2 over 3 minus 1 is equal to the square root of 6 over 2 over 3. So from here, 1 over, so the LCM of 3 and 1 is simply 3. So 3, then 2 minus 3. And this equals the square root of, we can write this as 6 times 3 over 2. So with this, we then have this to become, we have 1 over 2 minus 3 is simply minus 1 over 3. And this equals the square root of 2 here 1, 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 is equal to minus 3. And this is not equal to square root of 9 is 3. So that means that this is wrong. So the value of x2 that we got as 2 over 3, it is not the correct solution for the given question. So the only correct solution is x1 as 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.